Don't you want to make a real video?
Don't you want to make a real video? This is an introduction video. Now we're going to have to edit this out. It's going to be then it's still probably... Oh, is this it? Okay. Hi, my name is Val. Nay. This
I can't see your face.
Hi, my name is Val. Yeah. Hi. This is my stepbrother Matt. You see him? Yeah. Okay.
Still can't see your face.
My YouTube account is Fast14. Don't ask where I got that name. It's just old family nickname. And I just started a YouTube account. I'm going to try to make this as fun as possible. So, rate, subscribe, friend me, and I'll be making videos soon. I already got one uploaded. It's called Nature. This is just the introduction video. And then, I got to shout out to my stepbrothers Matt, Yoshi Addict, 2000. And then, we're opening a new one together. It's called Matt Owl.
It was gonna be I, Matt, and DeVale, but YouTube didn't let us because YouTube is gay and queer.
Don't listen to him, YouTube. Okay. Peace.